Jamaican home cooking is a delicious journey filled with flavour and plenty of fun. We met Maurice, who showed us how to make a traditional Jamaican oxtail stew. First up, Maurice chops the ingredients. He uses shallots, tomatoes, carrots and onions.
The way you slice it is just all to your preference.
Then it's time to introduce them to the oxtail, which a butcher has cut to his preferred thickness.
It's normally cut to about this size. The bigger the pieces, the higher up on the tail.
He adds the chopped ingredients to the oxtail, plus a little thyme and a generous amount of Jamaica's all-important allspice, pimento. There's also ginger and garlic, of course. Then it's time to get the protective wear out and prepare the super hot Scotch bonnet peppers. These peppers are some of the hottest on earth and Maurice handles them with care.
I like to open it up, make sure you get all the seeds, stem and all.
Now it's time to let everything marinate. After a night in the fridge soaking up the flavour, Maurice fries the oxtail in oil. Then it's time to add the oxtail to the pressure cooker.
So now we're going to add the spices to the pot.
Maurice adds a beef stock cube mixed with water to add moisture to the pressure cooker.
Because the meat is really tough, I'll use a pressure cooker. It'll be done in like 40 minutes. So then, press meat, steam. That's it.
Maurice's love for cooking traditional Caribbean dishes has helped him create Goodye's Jamaican patties, which is inspired by memories of the family gatherings and cook-ups in Waterhouse, Jamaica.
A lot of these photos and images reminds me of like my parents and my uncle and stuff like that. This is on their street. When I open a restaurant, I'm gonna have it covered with like a lot of these photos along the wall. I've never been fully taught, like there's no recipe, you know. I just watch my mother, watch my dad.
You're right, it's muscle memory.
Muscle memory and like love, and like I like to cook with my heart. Like I love it like when the yard is full and there's music outside, I have DJs out in the yard, and
it's like the old days.
You know it.
It's time to release the steam in the pressure cooker.
That's good now. Oh my goodness gracious me. Oh my goodness.
Maurice checks on the oxtail. And the verdict? Oh, nice. He adds a little bit of salt and a tin of butter beans. Then it's back to the pressure cooker for another few minutes. Next, Maurice bakes plantains until they're crispy and golden. And when the oxtail is ready, he adds a little bit of Parisian essence for colour. Now it's time for rum and pineapple juice, plus a plate of rice and peas, and mouth-watering Jamaican oxtail stew. So Maurice, thank you so much for making this absolutely delicious Jamaican oxtail stew. I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, no problem. It was a pleasure. Yeah, let's get cracking. Let's get into it.
If you'd like to make Maurice's delicious recipe, search for Jamaican oxtail stew on bestrecipes.com.au.